So converting square units is definitely a little more intricate. So we're going to take our time on this and go through this carefully. We have 6.5 square yards and we need to convert that to square inches. Let's start off by writing down what we have. 6.5 square yards. I'm going to write this a little differently. I'm going to take the 6.5 and I'm going to rewrite this as an improper fraction is 13/2. The square yards I'm going to write out as yards times yards, because that's square yards, yard times yard. So this is what I have. I will be multiplying this by a unit fraction, but I have to get my conversion fact first so I can decide what my unit fraction will look like. I'm going to look here in my unit of measurement chart and see if I can find anything that converts yards to inches. If you notice here, I can go from yards to feet and feet to inches. So this is the information I'm going to be using. Because I have yards, I'm going to start with the fact that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. There are 2 unit fractions I can create with this fact. I can create 1 yard over 3 feet, and because 1 yard and 3 feet are equal to each other, this is equal to 1. I can also create a second unit fraction, which is 3 feet over 1 yard, and again, because they're equal to each other, that is also equal to 1. So which one am I going to use? Because I want yards on the bottom, I'm going to use 3 feet over 1 yard. What you'll notice is that yards cancel with one of the yards, but it won't cancel with both. So what I need to do is have a second unit fraction, 3 feet over 1 yard, so that I can cancel yards squared. And now, because I have feet times feet, my units are in feet squared, or square feet. That's not what we want. We want square inches. So we're going to have to do this again. Because we want inches, and we are in feet, we're going to use this fact right here, that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, to create our unit fractions. We can either use 1 foot over 12 inches, or 12 inches over 1 foot. Both of those are equal to 1. Because we want feet to cancel, and we currently have feet on the top, we're going to use this unit fraction so that it will cancel with the feet on the top. So this foot cancels with this foot. We need to do this again because we have another foot on the top that needs to cancel. So if we multiply one more time, this foot cancels with this foot, and now we're in inches times inches, or inches squared. And so we're ready to multiply straight across. And so we have 13 times 3 times 3 times 12 times 12. And we get 16,848 over 2 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which is 2. Do the division, and we get 8,424. And the units are square inches. And we're done.